Hello, good morning, first graders. It's my pleasure to be back with you in another technology class. I hope that you're doing awesome at home with your family. I just want to let you know that I'm missing you a lot already, and I hope to see you soon. Now, let's take a look at what we have for today's class. Today, we're going to continue practicing our coding skills in CodeSpark Academy. If you're using a tablet or iPad, I recommend that you get to download the app, which is free. You may find it with the same name, CodeSpark Academy. That way, you will easily navigate through the different activities. Either way, you're going to click on the link that will take you to CodeSpark, and then we're going to try to follow it. If you didn't try this activity before, because probably the login code didn't work or something, this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on the link and something like this will come up. You're going to click on schools and then you're going to click on students and then you're going to click use classroom code. Right here, you're going to type in your class code and then you'll be able to select your character and begin the activity. If you were able to try in our last time, then you are going to try the following. You're going to click on the link and then you're going to click right away into this green button. Let's click it back. So right there is loading. And for example, I create a user for myself in first grade so I can model you the activity that we have for today. If you were able to try the activity last time, you're supposed to have a character already. Oh, for he just said, oh, got penguins, right? So I will click only on my name right here, and then I will get started. In our first time, we were supposed to complete the sequence activities that we had. Today, we're going to keep on working with loops, right? So right here, we have three main ways in which we can try this platform. We can create, which right there, you can create your own puzzles and coding um, activities. And then you have explore, where you can take a look at the different games that CodeSpark provides. So we're going to keep on working on puzzles. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Right? So the first one was sequencing. When you're done with this one, you will be able to click on this arrow to the right. If you are not done, please get to finish first. It's only 8 exercises, and then you'll be able to continue with our next one. Now, today we're going to continue working on tool trouble, specifically loops. So what is a loop? We remember from Codador that that pin button that says repeat, right? With that button, we can actually get different commands to repeat themselves as many times as we want. And that is what we call loops in coding. So in computer programming, a loop is a sequence of instructions, right? That is continually repeated until a certain condition is reached. For example, I want you to move forward 7 times and then turn right, for example. Or I want you to jump, then run, and get any piece that I want 3 times. But you need to specify the instruction inside the loop. So let's click on this green button and let's continue. On this puzzle again, we have 8 activities. Today we're going to complete them all. You don't need to upload any picture of your work because I can actually see from my user what you did and what you're missing or the way that I could actually help you. So let's click on the first one. Oh, I see this guy that is taking his fireworks. Oh, we have an explosion right there. And the tools of the worker are just gone. Oh my God, that sounds like trouble. So let's see how we're going to find a way to help him out. All right? So this is telling me to include this bot right here. Click and drag with my left button on the mouse. Alright, so I'm done with this one. And then, what should I do? Let's click on the thing. Oh, there you are. So what am I supposed to do now? Right here I have a jump button. So that means that if I try up, for example, I could get it. Let's see. Yeah, there you are. Perfect. Oh, you got 2 stars. Hmm. Let's see on our next one. Right here I can see that we have a hand stop. Oh, that this is what I just missed. This is our loop button. Inside this one is that we're going to put our instruction, right? So I'm going to click and drag inside. If you see right here, you can click and select the amount of time that you want to repeat an action. All right. So it says 3 times. So let's click on the little worker right here. So we have 1, 2, 3. Very well. So probably if we jump right, we're going to be able to get there. So I will try here, click on here so we can go back. Oh, did I? Okay, okay. So I can start at the very beginning. I will try it one more time, number 4, and then I will try moving to the right. Let's see if that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then jump to the right. Jump to the right, please. There you are. Perfect. All right. So keep in mind to drag in the loop button because that way you are going to reduce the amount of lines of code that you're going to have when you're working out your sequence. This is actually a really nice way because we don't need to use that many blocks, but we get to include the necessary step right here to get to our goal. Oh, but this one seems different now. So how can I get to stop this one? I see that I have a few buttons right here, but now I have a different element available for me. So let's see how can I do it. Definitive amount of times. Hmm. What if I try 3 times? Because I see that I have 3 buttons right here. And then let's click on. Oh, oh, that wasn't that bad. You know what happened? I didn't get the coin that was at the very top. So let's see if I can get it. Every time try to get every star because that means that you were able to complete the every goal in the game. Let's see, we're supposed to get this green uh medal right here. So let's see. So the first thing that I would try is like jumping up, right? So let's jump up. And then the explosion, I saw that I don't need 3. I will try 2 then. Okay. And then I will click right here on him. So let's see. Up, boom, boom, and there you are. Perfect. Very well. So that way you're going to continue until you finish the 8 levels that we have for this loops activity. If you want to continue practicing coding, I really love that. All right, so I don't have any trouble that you continue working on the activities that are ahead. So it was a pleasure to be here. I hope to see you soon, guys, because I'm really missing you. I hope that you enjoyed this activity, and I'll get to talk to you in another time. Bye bye.